Dear CA intermediate students, there is a wonderful announcement for you for EIS SM subject. We at AS Foundation are going to provide EIS SM fully free video lecture plus hard copy of the notes for the first 100 students who are going to place order on our website www.vknow.in. This offer is only for 100 students, first 100 students. So do not delay. Go to our website www.vknow.in and place your order for EIS SM today itself. The faculty is Professor Deepak Oswal. He is the best faculty for EIS SM. He has got the technical knowledge, the teaching experience, and the passion with which he teaches is simply unimaginable. So do not delay. You need to learn EIS conceptually from a teacher who himself is an engineer who understands the technology better than all other faculties. So once again, I request all my intermediate student friend, do not miss this opportunity. The full EIS SM regular subject is available free of cost with hard copy of the note only for first 100 students. Thank you very much and expecting your immediate response at our website www.vknow.in. Thank you.